So, hello again, and I am here to do part two of the planner sticker haul gift video. And I will just jump right in. So, I have more. I tried to section of what I have in two parts, so there's one part remaining. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first one I had 5, and I wanted to do 2 more videos, so that's why I have them like this. So, let's dive in. I saw a word I like there. It says PD. Yay. Let's do budgets. Loving these. Absolutely. Love these too. I love it. Bill Tew. Oh, wow. Ouch. Moving on to this one. And this one is from Recollections. Love this. Isn't this pretty? This one says New Year's Day. Oh, so there's a sticker for each day of the year and what's happening on that day. So February 18th is Drink Wine Day. I love that. April Fools. Dolphins Day, April 14th. Oh, this is pretty cool. For Christmas. Candy cane, New Year's. Oh, we have some really nice outline of the month here. Oh, there's some more. And then this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So I'll definitely be using these. And the numbers for the dates, so I don't have to write this in anymore. I have another one here. And this one is geared for 2020, but it is absolutely usable. Seize the day. Carpe diem. I love it. One of my most favorite quotes. Most of them is like the same. A lot of pages. I love the birds. Love it. Love these. Absolutely loveliness. Then we have this one here by Create365. Me and my big ideas. Love this. I'm gonna take pattern from this and see how I can create a page. Get it, girl. Be so good they can't ignore you. Make today the best day ever. Love it. I'm loving these words. Wow. And there is like so, oh my gosh, this is like, wow. TGIF. Wow, so pretty. Oh, and I'm literally now going through these. Absolutely love them. Definitely going to be putting this one aside because I'm going to be using this one first. Very lovely. Love it. Love this. And then we have this one. Another 3-6. Is it the same thing? No, it's not. It's like a different amount of stickers. I love it. I absolutely love Create365 stickers now. Wow. Great. Love this. Love it. Don't forget. Absolutely. I love this. pretty. Borders. This could be used for bordering. Love the hearts, love the dots again. Love it. And we have another Create 365 here. Let's dive in. Love these. Gonna be making magic with these. Love this. Love the colors. And then we have, let's go through this one first. This one's by the Happy Planner. Oh, I love these. So pretty, so aesthetic. Beautiful. Life is lovely. Wow, pretty. Love this. Love it. Ooh. Very, very lovely. Pretty. Ooh. Love it. Wow. Take a moment and look at this. Wow. This one. And last but not least, I have the Let's Planner Sticker Coolant one here. Some lovely pineapples. I can eat some of those pineapples right now and never look back. Love the brightness. And I have come to the end of this, and I hope you all enjoyed and you all will stick around and subscribe to my channel to see what I do with these lovely, lovely, lovely planner stickers. I will be having fun with these, and I will see you in the third part of the video soon. Again, bye.